Doesn't want to do mic check. Doesn't want to do mic check. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. On this, I guess shortened trading period. Market closes at 1 today. Oh no, looking like we might fade, son. I ain't gonna lie. It's a little early. 5 minutes in. They kind of get that pop on Meta as usual. However, not the usual rip to the upsides, making me think we might see some weakness. I mean, it's still super early, but only thing we're opening near the pre-market low, so we could bounce here. But I mean, 455 has been um, crucial level. Let's see if we can hold that. Looking like no, it's actually previous close. Mm, I mean, for best practices, I like to wait at least 15 minutes. Market's definitely looking a little heavy right now, but again, we opened near the pre-market low. So usually, I mean, again, that's where you about to dip at. We got to see if this thing's gonna hold or not. It's just we've just been ripping. Like I said, last year we were bearish around this time, bro. So I don't know if we're gonna get the reverse. I mean, obviously, we still have another month left. A lot of selling for tax harvesting and stuff like that. That's what I remember from last year. And then in the beginning of the year, we just ripped for basically 6 months straight. And so the spies backside views as well. We're waiting. We'll see what happens when we come down here and test this double bottom down here. This is market open. Pre-market low, I guess, would be right around here, right around previous close. So we've cracked that. You feel me? Let's see what happens if we hit this double bottom. Market's looking kind of heavy there. Double bottom here on the spine, the S&P 500. Hmm. VIX is coming to life. Looks like success in the S triple Q is looking a little strong here, which leads me to believe that we could see some continuation to the downside. Let's see if we get a bounce off this double bottom. I like the 455s if we can hold this. Apple looks like it's fading, trying to bounce. Uh, Test 1, 2, 3, mic check. Test on levels are good. Yeah. Market looking kind of heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna say the key level right now down here on this double bottom about 454.80s or so. 1, 2. Again, if we could hold this level, I like the 455 calls. If not, obviously fading, but I don't necessarily like to anticipate a breakdown. I mean, unless we've tested it maybe like 1, 2, 3 times. Like on the fourth time, I'll anticipate. But it's obviously still pretty early. S&P 500 still backside. Apple still backside. Um, Tesla is actually front side. Kind of something like a double top up here. Now, see, Meta is looking. I mean, we got a little pop on Meta, but not nearly what we usually get. And it's backside, and it kind of looks like they're selling into it. It's wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA for 2 candles in a row. Apple's looking weak, looking like we're about to dump. $55, bro. Been a major level on the spine. They're selling into it. Right, they're trying to buy Apple. I mean, okay. User trying to bounce. All right, so if we get a pullback up underneath 455, you feel me? And maybe come down here and test this. I like the 455, so the upside. But you can see from the Wixer, they're selling into it. And then you got Tesla on this double top here. Tesla can break above that. We might have something if Tesla hits this and rejects. I feel like the market will indeed have some continuation to the downside. Yeah. About 13 minutes into the trading period. All right, so look, we're coming down here to test this level here again, 454.80s or so. See, Tesla's hitting this double top and rejecting. Yeah, they're like selling into it. See from the wicks. Wick, dump. Here's a maybe we get some power 3 action here. If we can hold this level, I still like the 455s to the upside. I mean, 0 DTEs. I'll try it. Come on, not if we wicking like that. All right, I'll try. I'll try. Hey, stop. Uh, That's a contrarian trade, but I'm seeing the S&P 500 on the triple bottom trying to bounce here. Also the Qs, it's basically a triple bottom, more like a double bottom. Feel me? And they are fighting for it. I mean, this is a bullish candle. Super wicking to the upside. We just have to worry about 455. Also, you got previous close here, the 9 EMA. And they're dumping on it. Give it some time. Definitely looking kind of heavy right now. Looking to the downside off this 9 right here, bro. But there are some buyers over here, bro. They're fighting for it, but it's kind of looking heavy. That was a contrarian trade. Um, Stop is kind of tight. I mean, I don't know what's up with that. 455 calls. It's not right here. I'll take that. Yeah. Who's that? Oh, well, I have a position. I think I have a swing on from the other day or something. Daily PNL 631. What? I don't know. Yeah, looking pretty heavy here, bro. Great is this? November 24th. Yeah. Cancel all open orders and discard inactive orders. Close it. I don't know. Definitely looking heavy though. Give it some time. Okay, there we go. Move to the upside. Looking to the downside off VWAP. See, the problem is you got 455 here, previous close and VWAP. But if we can break above, if we can go front side, I feel like we can trend up at least. At least up to the 120. Triple, power 3 action. 1, 2, 3. They're dumping on it. Sure. What we got? The 455. Okay. All right, there we go. Little power of three action. Went front side for a second. They are dumping on it. However, I feel like we did consolidate enough for us to start trending up. See, right now, I mean, I'm basically break even on that trade somehow. Looking to the upside, trying to go front side here. Power threes. 1, 2, 3. Pop. I'd be careful though, because it's a short trading period today. They're buying it. 455, major key level, psychological level, all that. All right, so those 455s are in the money. Almost feel like I have a wing on or something. Hold on. Make sure I don't have any other. No, I don't have any open positions. All right, I'll take that. Oh shit, they're fighting for it. I really feel like I need to go ahead and snatch some little profits off the table real quick. However, I think something's up with my chart trader here. All right, hear me out. Well, thank you. Good. All right. And I do need to work on letting my winners run a little bit. However, see profits, take profits. Look, see, we opened near the pre-market low, right? And usually that's always a good area to buy the dip at. And the inverse is also true. We're opening near the pre-market high. I mean, more than likely, we're gonna get the fade. However, looks like they're selling into this. I mean, it's just chill. Now look, there's another thing that is worthy of some consideration. Tesla's on this triple top. 1, 2, 3. See that? And Apple's just, I mean, leaking, looking weak. I'm gonna say there's a strong possibility that we do fade. But right now, the S&P 500's basically trying to go front side off a triple bottom. I mean, I don't know what's up with Apple. Apple's just leaking, but and also Meta. The backside not looking like its normal bullish self. That's all stuff I'd be worried about. Again, those are tech stocks, but there's correlation. Watch this thing. See if Tesla can break above this triple top. If not, might see a continuation to the downside. But also keep in mind, a lot of the times Tesla likes to do its own thing. Oh no, bro. That is kind of just looking flat. Oh, looking like Tesla's going up here to test this triple top again. Haven't broken past it yet. Probably should have let those 455s ride, but see profits, take profits. I really feel like there's really no trade here right in the middle, man. Either, I mean, bottom of the page or the top of the page. I like to take my trades at. That's where you're. That's where you're supposed to let your winners run. It's playing off this chart. Let's see what we got. Right. Pre-market low, way down here. Pre-market high. It's up here. The apple's kind of leaked, but kind of found some support. I don't know. Is that 180.75, 189.70s? I'm at. Apple's trying to reclaim 190 right now. This is what I mean. Like you 9 times out of 10, you get that pop on Meta like right out the gate for a quick scalp. I mean, I see it all the time, but I don't necessarily like to trade right off the open. But I mean, hindsight 2020. Like they're selling into it. Yeah. All right, wicking to the upside off the 9 EMA. It's like we got the high day up here. Let's see. Maybe go long, but where? I mean, be looking at this spot to take profits. I kind of like to fade from here, bro. So that would be what, the 455s. Yeah, I'm liking the fade from up here. See what happens when we get up here and test this double top. Okay, so we hit it. Push play up here, bro. But they immediately dumped on it. I'm still liking the fade from here. If not here, definitely up here. That was a crazy little pop right there. They immediately dumped on it. Now the Qs are above VWAP. It's looking like it's doing the fake out, the inverse of the VWAP breakdown. Definitely liking the fade from up here, bro. We want to be patient, take it from here, wait and see if we can possibly get up here. Double top. A nice little pattern right there. I got my reservations. But I mean, look, wick, wick. They S&P 500. I mean, ripped all the way up there. It's almost like a double top as well. Look at that. Like in the fade from here, bro. Hold I'm gonna be contrarian now. Uh, I like the fade from up here. 455s. Oh, the 455 puts. Let's go out. Just in case. Just in case I'm wrong. I'm having trouble with this level up here, this double top. The only thing is popped right here, bro. I'll try something. I get filled. I didn't get filled. I force fill it. Go ahead and put some risk management in place. All right. I mean, the longer we consolidate up here, though, the more of a chance we have to break out. I'm just looking at this. 1, 2, 3. You feel me? Almost like some power 3 action. What I would love to see is us break down the 9 EMA and retrace a little bit. I'm ready to stop out though, ASAP. But what thing you want to do, and I have trouble doing this as well, is just keeping your losers as small as possible. I mean, right now, basically break even. That's where we're at. Risking about 15 cent, 10 cent. 20 contracts. So it's not a lot as far as how much you're risking, but a decent amount as far as the size. Basically break even. I mean, this is pivotal right now. So I mean, kind of kind of going in the right direction. Cracking the 9 EMA. Got to worry about the 120. If we can break, you know what I mean, crack the 9 and the 120 and start coming back down towards VWAP and previous close. And you don't necessarily have to wait, for us to get to 455 to take profits on those. All right, so a new candle opened below the previous one, uh, which also happens to coincide with the 120 SMA. We're wicked to the downside off that. Obviously, something I want to see, and I mean, I'd be down to go ahead and take profits here. Feel me? Especially as we get down the previous close in 455, I would expect for us to bounce. And even off of VWAP, it's looking like they could be trying to grab. I probably should have took profits, but I mean, looking heavy. I mean, they're definitely dumping on it. Got VWAP right here, bro. I might go ahead and snatch that. See, I'm trying to work on letting my winners run a little bit. See that? But usually when it's a liquidity grab, you'll see the wick on the right. And I mean, that was a couple months ago. Things change. And I definitely could have took profits when we swung all the way down here. However, I'm trying to be a little bit more patient. Screen and everything. Yeah. Yes, sir. So I see they're selling into, looks like they're selling into the Qs. See like a long ass wick. Basically the same thing you see right here on the spot. But and also Tesla is still topping out on that level where we had the triple top. Basically just been topping out against that about 236.50s or whatever. Been topping out against that for I'll say about 30 minutes. And now we could roll over here. Because I see Tesla kind of like backing off that level. Also see the VIX kind of popping. S triple Q popping a little bit. And, I'm not gonna play with it. I'm gonna go ahead and take profits. All right. See profits, take profits. Uh, go ahead and we'll see what's going on. See profits, take profits. Especially in a market condition like this, bro. In a short day. 455.50. Some trouble on that level right there, bro. But we went up there and hit it and just started fading. And you have double top. I mean, them 455s are still in play, bro. If we continue to fade, however, it looks like Tesla's again trying to break past this resistance up here. But Apple continues to leak. Looks like we just put in a fresh low a day about a minute ago. Actually 2 minutes ago. If Apple keeps fading like that, it will drag the whole market down. The S&P 500 is about to go backside. I kind of like the 455 puts again. Let's try something. That was an anticipation trade. Get some risk management in place here. Need to fix my bracket. OCO setup preset. And I mean, this is what we grabbed the 454. I'm at 455 puts again. So they're basically break even right now. Usually you want to risk less than your price target, but I mean, I could always grab this and move it. You know what I mean? I leave it further down because they'll stop hunt. All right, so here's where the rubber meets the road at. We just went backside and cracked 455. Oh, now we're going down. See, now I could take profits right here. But let's see. Actually, if we get down here, I'm going to take profits because look, got a triple bottom here. Then we started popping. Actually, let me go ahead and take profits now. All right. Good. Just in case, bro. See profits, take profits, bro. I mean, clearly it looks like we're about to give some back. Look, there is pre-market low. If we crack that pre-market low, that's what I mean. I need to work on letting my winners run, but at the same time, again, see profits, take profits. Look at this. Look at this. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 quad bottom. Now we could bounce here. Maybe the 455 to the upside, but that would be contrarian. I mean, you'd have to look around and find some proof of concept. Right now, I just don't see it. I mean, well, I kind of do, but Apple continues to leak. Actually, the S triple Q is wicking to the downside, and the VIX is kind of cooling off. So I'd be interested in those 455s to the upside if we come back down here and retest this level. This quad bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. Might have missed that though. Yeah, missed it. Yeah, definitely. I mean, Tesla's looking like it's about to roll over though, bro. Honestly, the market's looking heavy. Apple's on the lows. The Qs are near the lows. Tesla's rolling over, cracking VWAP right now. So yeah. But let's see what happens when we come down here and test this level, bro. 454 80s. Yeah, could have let them 455s run a little bit more, bro. Yeah, the market looks like it's rolling over. Hold up. Let's check out the daily really quick. 453. Maybe. 453. Might be in play. I don't know. No one knows, bro. First we have to break beneath all this chop. But it's looking increasingly more and more likely, bro. Just don't want to anticipate. All right. But I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've cracked that. I mean, if anything, this may act as resistance now. And honestly, no, I'll definitely be done for the day. Like I said, bro, you know what I'm saying? The drawback with that is you're missing out on vital price action, which is in the screen time going to be the most important thing when it comes to trading. We came up here and reclaimed this. However, I mean, okay, so we're getting some movement back to the upside. I'm not sold on it yet though, but on the S&P 500, nice triple bottom. Apple starting to bounce. The Qs are starting to bounce a little bit. I'm just not sold on it yet. This thing. Uh, if there is any place to buy the dip at, it would be down here. But uh, you basically have to be trying to predict a reversal because right now the trend is definitely down. Yeah, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, little quad bottom. 455s would have been decent for a quick scalp. Now they're selling into it. This buy did go front side though. Looks like they're selling into it though, right? If I'm being honest with you. What do you think? 455 puts? If I grab some real quick. This would be contrarian. All right, let's put some risk management. I mean, I'm already up on that trade. Well, I was. I was. One, two, three, four. And that was so contrarian, but it looks like the market's heavy, bro. I mean, I'm up on it. 200 bucks. Uh, it's looking. I mean, all right, definitely up on it now. 300. I'm gonna go. Should I let my winner run? What, or should I just see profits, take profits? I don't know, bro. How about we just see profits, take pro? How about we see profits, take pro? See profits, take profits, bro. See profits, take profits. All right. Yeah. See, sometimes, um, the problem I have is when I should be scalping, I'm swinging, and vice versa. Gotta learn how to separate the two. That though, see profits, take profits. Because look, playing with it. Tesla's faded a decent amount off the highs. And Apple's just leaking, continuing to look weak. Meta as well, just leaking, continuing to look weak. It's looking like they're selling into this thing. I mean, I like the 455s again. See if we can get in real quick before we snap it. All right. Get some risk management in place. They're selling into it. Look, wick to the downside, a wick to the downside off of VWAP and the 9 EMA and previous close. Off of previous close and the 9. Oh, give it time to work because look at these wicks. Means that they're selling into it. The only thing is, bro, down here is where, again, where you would want to go long at. All right. So I guess that would be my price target. I mean, I'll take profits here, bro. Should we see? I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4. Quad bottom here, bro. I don't know. I feel like if we go down there and test that again, we might crack it this time. Could take profits from the what? 455 plus. Like I just been trading the same contract over and over. Nothing like that. And like we were getting ready to bounce. We got 455 here, bro. Major psychological level. The key level. Also the 9 EMA. Previous close. Underneath VWAP. Underneath the 120. Market's looking heavy. But again, I mean, down here is where I would go long at normally. But I mean, the market's just looking heavy today. The only reason why I'm fading so close to the pre-market low feels like we might actually crack that thing. And I mean, I could take profits here. Basically scalping, bro. See what happens. If we can break back above 455. If we can't reclaim 455 right here, um, I'm pretty confident that we'll have a red day. Keep in mind, Meta's on the low. Tesla's continuing the leak. Apple's continuing the leak. The Qs are definitely near the lows. New low a day on the Qs. New low a day on Meta. But they're fighting for it. There's some volume coming in here, bro. But I mean, like a Doja candle, indecision. Fighting for it. And 455. We can't break if we can't reclaim 455. Definitely fighting for it though. You see all these wicks, like hammer candle, higher low hammer candle. Looking to the upside here. And so there goes the break above 455. Jumping on it. Yeah, I don't like that. See, at this point, probably want to just go ahead and stop out just to keep my losers as small as possible. Especially if we break above VWAP. I'm gonna go ahead and stop out. Remember what I said? Down here near the pre-market low, where you want to go long at. I was anticipating a breakdown. I don't like to anticipate. I'll think it stopped out. And here's the $1,000,000 question: do you just stop out? Do you stop out earlier, or do you just let your bracket order stop you out? You know what I'm saying? To mitigate losses. Oh, there you go. There's a stop out. All right. So I got stopped. I got stopped out there. I'll watch we dump. But they're selling into it. Chiefy, bro, why your paws wet, dude? Where you been? Walking there, bro. Off me with your little wet paws. Look at that. As soon as I stop out, we're showing some weakness. But 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, after 4 times, look at that. As soon as I stop out, I was gonna move my stop down a little bit, but that'll get you in trouble. Look at that. As soon as I stop out, here we come. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, we've tested that 4 times and failed to break below it. Oh, see what the Qs are doing. Qs are near the low of day, bro. Like we're about to put in a fresh low. See? Uh, Probably should have moved my stop a little bit. Hold on. The retest of 455. Looking like we're about to crack it, bro. All right. See Tesla trending back up towards that resistance. We got the triple top. I mean, that's almost like a, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Call that like a quad top. Trending back up there to retest it. Hey, that's what stops are for, dog. I don't really see a trade here, but got 455 here. You know what I mean? Bottom of the range, 454.85. I guess you can scalp the 455s over and over, but let me see something real quick. My bad. Oh, whoa, you seen that? No, I missed that. Why did we wick all the way down there like that, right? Some crazy ass price actions on. Look, we went down there. I mean, consider that a test again. One, two, three, four, five. Jumping on it. I want to anticipate the breakdown. I'd rather us come down here and retest this level and hold it. And then grab the 455s long. Uh, I mean, market's definitely looking heavy. However, the Qs are like consolidating down here on, I don't know if that's what 388 80s or so. Tesla's back up here at this resistance, intraday resistance, kind of looking like it wants to break above it near the high of day, but Meta's continuing to leak basically on the lows. So is Apple. See what else is going on around here. There's the Qs, bro, just leaking. Remember I said finding support around 388 80s or so. Yeah, about 388, 88, something like that. The Qs. What about the Russell? Look at the Russell. Oh man, large caps are ripping, bro. All right, some divergence there. Man, if the Russell, come on, look at this thing. Thing's on the high day, bro. Maybe small caps are leading. See, I would have loved to get in the 455s underneath them, underneath 455. I don't know, bro. Keep in mind, we've been consolidating, holding this level down here for a minute. Pre-market low, failing to break below it. around there. Tested it a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm saying is this thing is on the high day right here, bro. Tesla did actually break above that resistance and put in a fresh high. And now it's looking like it's pulling back. Didn't even pull back to that resistance, which I would imagine would act as support now. See, look at Apple, dude. Apple's on the damn near on the lows. Meta's looking weak on the lows. I mean the Q's. Hard to call, bro. Why taking more of a scalping approach. The hell? Excuse that noise. Badass dogs out here, bro. Wonder if the noise gate's catching that. Hell no. That's, man, no, man. Like, okay, so look, now the Russell's starting to roll over. All right, so that could be the sign. I'm liking the 455s to the downside, bro. Go ahead and grab some. Get me in. Get me in, coach. That was contrarian. Was. Look. Russell's been ripping and it's kind of looking like it wants to roll over now. And keep in mind, Meta's on the lows. Apple's near the lows. You feel me? Only thing that's concerning is the VIX is on the lows as well, bro. You feel me? Concerning. Just because the VIX is calmed down doesn't necessarily mean bullishness. You feel me? Why can't the volatility be going down as we fade? And I mean, I could take profits on those, but I'm trying to wait for a bigger move. Let's try to let my winners run. Use the noise. I'm gonna fix the noise gate, dog. Look at that dog barking at, bro. Okay, okay. That was looking like we're rolling over, and I mean, looking at the Russell continuing to just rip, looked like it was kind of topping out and wanting to roll over. But I mean, we also got that move here, 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 but now we're, you know, up in the rafters. So there's more room, more room to fade. See, okay. So that's what I was saying. The VIX is on the low. Was my only concern. All right. I'd be interested to see what the dollar's doing, man. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Like, I don't know why my trading view looks like this, bro. Because I'm not logged in. Oh my god. Can't even see that. We're about to burn my freaking. Alright, what's the dollar doing? See, the dollar's fading. Hold on. My bad. See, the dollar. I don't know. Trying to bounce. Okay, the dollar's trying to bounce. I mean, that's usually indicates fading time. And I mean, on that last trade, I'm up on the contracts. I'm trying to be more patient, see a bigger move here. I don't know how smart that is because we got 455 right here. We have previous close here, bro. Definitely levels we could bounce off of. Yeah, I missed this candle right here, bro. Like, I don't know what happened there. All right, so looks like we're trying to give up previous close, but the real level is gonna be 455, and then the real level is gonna be like all this chop down here. All this. All right, definitely trying to put up a fight here at previous close. I mean, right now I'm kind of up a little bit on the trade. Now break even, up a little bit. See, again, normally I like the long down here, bro. But I'm just seeing the market looking a little heavy. Let's go back to the Russell. See, the Russell faded a little bit, pulled back, and kind of found some support. Oh my god, bro, shut the dog up, man. All right, pull back, and we kind of been putting in some higher lows, looking kind of weak though. I mean, if the Russell can come down here and crack this, 179 and change, 179.30s, I feel a lot better about the fade. Right? Like we're coming down with some velocity right there. Previous close. All right, there's previous close. What I'd like to see us do is crack 455 here. And Meta just put in a fresh low. New low a day on Meta. Tesla is pulling back a little bit. All right, so I can definitely take profits on those right now. However, I mean, let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six. Hey, that's like a double power of three right there, bro. Again, usually I'd like the long down here, but the market's just looking heavy, bro. So I'm kind of anticipating breakdown in the head. Because what was the next level off the daily? It was like what, 453? Go ahead and check that. Yeah, 453, 452.95. I was gonna call that 453. Right there, 453. So next level. See, now we're cracking some of these levels here, but I mean, we've been here before. What I'm saying is, if we crack all this, with all this chop, keep going. I feel like we can start fading down, maybe towards 453, and I might go ahead and lock in profits here. Moment, what you think? Up 422 on the trade. I think that's a bro. Go with your wet paws, bro. Let's go ahead and lock in profits here, bro. All right, just in case. Remember, see profits, take profits. See, look, as that's looking like a liquidity grab almost. But at this point, I feel like we've broken down way too many levels. Uh, get some real levels here, bro. You know what? Well, I just snatched that, bro, because that was definitely a liquidity grab. Look, your candle, your wick on the right is wicking all the way down, and then immediately after that, we just ripped to the upside. That's a classic grab right there. I'm kind of glad I took profits when I did. I changed my setup, bro. So nothing's right. Bad. Something could be under attack, dog. Hold up, hold up. Right back. Oh, my bad, dog. How'd that go? Seen that grab? Fake out? That's why I took profits, dude. Look, that's a classic liquidity grab right there, bro. Candle on the right, wicks all the way down, and then immediately we just pop. But I mean, Like how many times are we gonna come down here and test this before it actually cracks? I kind of probably, I mean, if I wasn't distracted just now, I would have grabbed those 455s to the downside, but I missed them. Keep in mind, I'm also watching a bunch of charts on my other monitor. I mean, obviously, oh man, dude, I don't know because I like the long down here near the pre-market lows, but the market's looking heavy, bro. You feel me? And honestly, like I'm done for the day at this point. I'm just in it for the price action right now, bro. Screen time. Keep in mind, bro, the SPY has went down to test the pre-market low a bunch of times and has failed to break down. Could be the one. I mean, I would love for us to get a pullback. Look, look at the SPY on like the 5 minute. Good. Or even the 10. We're failing to break down here, bro. I would have definitely liked a long, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like I missed, you know what I'm saying? Missed most of the move at this point. Unless we just, unless we break out. Four 55.25. I don't know. Man, we're basically just chopping around, trading sideways. Tesla's on the high of day. It looks like Meta could, you know what I mean, fell off the edge with the maps on, but then caught a piece of that liquidity grab. So we broke down 337 on Meta and then reclaimed it off this move. I'd love for us to get a pullback, at least a retest, something. But at this point, I mean, you're going long to where, what, 456? You got pre-market high up here. Definitely looking bullish. Looking like we could some some continuation to the upside. I just don't trust it. But I mean, VIX is on the low. Tesla's on the high. The Qs are popping. All right, what about the Russell faded, popped, pulled back to the 9, looking like it wants to maybe keep going. I don't know. Let's buy. Tesla's near the high date. Apple's trying to recover. There's no trade here. I mean, the 456 is maybe. I'm not trying to sit here and babysit that thing, bro. Tesla's on the high. S&P 500's trying to do something. However, we're like at a triple top. Right here, 1, 2, 3. Then we got this up here. Kind of looks like they're buying it off of what's that? 45.58. Cover your ears. That classic waiting music. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I'm trying to go long, but it won't go, bro. To the upside or the downside. It don't matter. I like that for 55 puts. What you think? For 55 puts? Get some of those out. What's contrarian? Oh, got filled just in time, bro. All right, wash out, bro. Bro. Definitely a contrarian trade there. It's looking heavy, bro. I feel like we eventually come down here and crack all this, bro. Uh, I could take profits here, bro. Kind of let my winners run a little bit, bro. If we break back above 455 right here, I feel some kind of way, bro. That's that alarm beat right there, bro. And go up and retest 455 without breaking above it. I mean, I'm still up on that last trade. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure we're on the right scene and shit. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. See that wick? I feel like this is the anticipation trade though. Like I'm anticipating us coming down here and breaking down all these levels. And right now, break even on that. What's up? Uh, Again, I mean, historically, I like the long down here at the bottom, bro. But I feel like the market's just looking heavy. At the same time, though, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've tested these levels 6 times and failed to break down. So either we hit them and rip, or we eventually crack them. All right. No shit, the alarm's going off, dog. Feel like I need to put some risk management in place. Mm-mm. Definitely. Mm-mm. Hey, dog said my beat sound like an alarm beat. I made these beats for Fortnite though. Oh, that shit might be too loud. Hold on. See, you see all these wicks, bro? This is almost 5 minutes. Wick, 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 wick. I mean, hammer candle, but we freaking wicked all the way down here. Indecision, bearish, indecision. Nothing but a bunch of wicks every time we get near this area, which means they're basically selling into it. All right, goes the alarm. About to dump, bro. Shit. About to stop out, bro. We'll give it a little bit more time. We had a couple green trades. I feel like I can afford to give it a little bit more time. If we start breaking out too much, dude, stop out. Look at all these wicks, dog. What? That means they're selling into it, bro. Every time it gets up here, bro. That would have been the best place to fade from. I mean, obviously, if you know the market participates. Oh shit! I forget. I keep forgetting. Like it's a half a day, bro. This market close at 1, I think. Alright, so obviously this last trade is going against me. Oh shit! You know what happens when that lady starts singing, man? Hear that piano? I'm not liking how that's looking. But again, I mean, fade, reject, fade, reject, fade, reject, fade. I'm looking for another reject, fade. But, seeing a little more consolidation here, right? We just put in a higher low there. Look, 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 look. I don't like these 3 higher lows here on the 5 minute though. We're breaking past that. Now I see Meta trying to bounce and come back to life. I mean, the Qs are basically just range bound, bro. Only thing is the VIX is like on the low, dog. S&P 500's kind of looking like it wants to. I mean, there's some resistance up here. One, two, three. Broke above it right there. And it came back down. Four. What we want to see is this thing crack the nine. Let's start retracing back down towards the 120. Uh, like, where's the playlist at? Yeah. I can't find my playlist. Oh, what's this? Alright, we'll rock with that. I bet you no one can guess where I sampled that off of the video game. Some would say one of the best games of all time. Looks like there's resistance up here, bro. Hold on. Let me take a bathroom break. Oh, be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Doesn't 1, 2, 3, my check. What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Did we dump? Oh, I missed it, son. We dumped and came down here and cracked it, bruh. Lord have mercy. I missed it. Missed it. It looks like yeah, we're going in the right direction, bro. We need to give up previous close and 455 flat, bro. I mean, it kind of looks inevitable at this point, bro. But I mean, if that does happen and we start fading down here, obviously I'm gonna get out and take profits down here just because we bounced off this level a million times. Feel me? Hold on. Hold on. My bad, dude. Oh, yeah, no, we don't want to miss this. Whatchamacallit? Okay, so 455. All right, now let's act as resistance. Like a good little level here. I'm telling you, bro. For faded off that thing for the past few days. The past few trading periods. major key level, psychological level, all that. I like the way we just cracked it and gave it up. But again, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm down here and test this thing 6 times, so it's like a double power of threes. You feel me? What do you think? Should I snatch the profits off the table here, or should I anticipate the breakdown of this level? You know what I'm saying? Under different circumstances, I'd actually like the long off of these levels, especially down here where they liquidity grabbed at. Here, be scared, come down here and start playing around. I feel like I need to go ahead and just take profits here. I forgot it's not a full trading period. What do you think? Ooh, I was just there, bro. Give it a little bit more. Look, we've broken below 455. Would expect that to act as resistance now. See, happens on the retest. A little bit more than a retest. Snatch that. Now look, we're popping. Now back at break even. Up decent on. Give it more time. Look, all these wicks. Obviously, there's some sellers up here. Even on the 10 minutes on, nothing but wicks going straight across. Give it some more time to work. Only thing I don't like is we reclaimed 455 and previous close and the 9 EMA. Almost like they grabbed again. This is a real liquidity grab. One, not so much. Seems more like a stop hunt, but not with that wick, not wicking like that. Waiting for 455, son. I mean, Apple's dumping, bro. And now I see the VIX kind of like trying to pop. S triple Q kind of trying to pop, but I mean, finding support. Can't really see it, it's too far. Yeah. I see the VIX showing some life. S triple Q trying to pop. I mean, Sox S basically barcoding, but you would expect that because AMD and Nvidia earnings. We're wicking to the downside off the 9 and 455. Nice little pop over here. 500,000 shares. So, this level has some buyers on it. Where's my damn playlist at, bro? Alright. You know what time it is when that music come on? I'm thinking about moving my price target up. What you think? I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Feel like we're about to get that move to the downside, son. Went backside. We gave up 455. Gave up the 9. We did. Doesn't just 1, 2, 3 mic check. Doesn't just 1, 2, 3 mic check. I don't like that pop right there. Yeah, oh yeah. Definitely the market's catching a bid here. Probably should have took profits there. Reclaimed the 120, VWAP, the 9, everything. Some resistance up here though. Oh my god, dude. What a freaking mutt, bro. Seen that? Alright, we need to give up 455 here, bro. Playing with it. We're basically just chopping around sideways, really. Need to make some new beats. I started installing my studio shit. Meta, obviously backside. It's below that intraday level 338. We're below VWAP and the 120, and it seems to be putting in some lower lows. S&P 500 has put in 2 bearish candles. The spy on the 5 minute is not looking too kosher, as you can see from here. All right, oh, here's the move. That's it. It's looking like a grab right there. These three bearish candles right here. Where'd they grab at last time? All the way down here. 454.75. Mm. All right. Get me out, bro. Like, I'm taking profits, bro. See profits, say profits. What happened? Get me out. All right, never mind. I missed it. I missed it. Let me move this back up. About to snatch some little profits. What? That wasn't fast enough. And I mean, we've still given up. Actually, clear off this chart real quick. Yeah, that's it. What I'm saying is, bro, every time we come up here, look, they're selling into it. Well, honestly, get up there again. I'd be willing to fade from up there again. But at this point, you've missed most of the moves, so now you have to be anticipating the breakdown. Double bottom action. See what happens at 455. Definitely don't like that. And Apple's also making a run. The Qs are making a run, trying to break above VWAP. SPY just won't give up that level, bro. I feel like I'm actually want to just stop out right now for break even. Oh, you seen that dump? Usually when you see violent price action like that to the downside, it usually means there's more to come. Especially considering what we're rejecting off of 455 previous close. We're already below VWAP in the 120. Just trying to be a little bit more patient. Honestly, we don't crack this thing here pretty soon, bro. Have to just stop out. Well, not stop out. Take profits. Retesting 455 again. There's a battle for 455. The more we consolidate below it, though, the more it becomes resistance. Tesla's starting to try to turn to and go to the upside. Also, the Qs are as well. So let let me go ahead and get out. See profits, take profits, bro. That shit is starting to look a little crazy right there. But dog, look at this, bro. This shit's bearish, bro. All these wicks, bro. So just wick. Like this, trend line in there, bro. Mm, mm. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, they're just playing around with it, bro. 455, fourth. See if we can maintain this downtrend. We just cracked it. Ain't much really going on, bro. All I see is the SPY is refusing to break down this level, bro. Around 454.90s. Need to do for the maintenance. Oh shit. Oh, hold on. Almost some dumping. Pumping. For that boy. As soon as I close it out. It's all good though. See profits, take profits. Oh, this thing looking like it's about to dump, son. I'm not in the 455s anymore. 453s, 454s are in play. We have to break down all this chop first, bro. What's down here, bro? All that. About 450, 475. $77. I was just refusing to break down. And the Qs actually look like they're trying to do something. Apple's trying to do something. Meta's trying to do something. Those are all tech stocks, though. Check out the heat. Man, healthcare and energy's up. That's why the SPY is holding up so good. And that's why tech's looking a little weaker. Look. See it right there. While the SPY is breaking down. Like the 455's long right here, bro. Contrarian. For sure. He's like, wait, it's getting late in the trading period, bro. Only because that heat map. Not breaking down, bro. With the Qs starting to recover. Mm, 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 mm. Why isn't this on with the Qs, bro? Look. Like in the 390s. That recovery right there. What you think? 390s? Qs? That's some prime out. There's some resistance though. Qs about 389 60s or so. Around here. But I do see Meta trying to make a run, Tesla trying to make a run, the SPY bouncing off that level once again, the S&P 500, nice triple bottom, uh, trying to make a run, and Apple did make a push, pull back, put in a higher low. Let's see if we can hold a higher low on Apple. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Apple made a run. We were trying to hold a higher low here, cracked it. Looking good. If we can break back above that, what is it, 189.60s or so? Then I mean Tesla's just been leaking. Meta is heading up towards intraday resistance here. $338. There, they're hit it, rejected. Now we're going up to test it again. And if Meta can break above this 338, I feel like the Qs can start to make a run for it. And again, the SPY is refusing to break down that level. Now it's starting to bounce again. Qs up. 389.50 logical level, 50-cent increment. I mean, S&P 500 just popped. And I could actually take profits on the Qs right now. Contracts. 90s. Not enough. I want us to break above VWAP on the projecting. Still up on them, but closer to break even. What happens here? This will probably be my last trade. Look, 15 minute, just higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Psychological level, the real level here. I think that's what pre-market low for 89.60s. You have 389.75. Hit that thing like a brick wall and started retracing. I could get out, break even right now. Give it more time because look, up, pull back, push up, pull back, push up, pull back. So now do another push up and break above this 389.50. fighting for it. Full volume though. Lunchtime. But believe it or not, like I've seen some decent trending during the lunch period. But then a little healthy pullback, looking like a rug pull. Still are above VWAP. Trend is definitely correct. Right there. Yeah. I'm about to stop out, bro. Yeah, that's it. And that thing done hit that 50 cent increment like a brick wall and freaking picked it decent. Pulled back the VWAP though. Is looking heavy. Yeah, Meta's cracking the 9 right now. Tesla's dumping. I'm about to stop out. I was to make my stop really tight. Double double bounce. Double bottom off of VWAP. I don't like that trend though. Alright. And what happens when we get up here to 389.50s? Oh, they're dumping on it, bro. Less than an hour left in the trading period. I'm feeling like they could pull the rug, son. Because the SPY's been struggling to hold this level all morning, but it looks like it's gonna crack it. Look at this. Uh, and if we can't break back above the 9 right here, I'm stopping out, dog. I'll be done for the day. That's still a good day. Three. Looking to the downside off the 9, not a good sign. What other beats we got on here? I'm about to stop out. Yeah, we're cracking view up. Get me out of that. Get me out of that, dude. I ain't trying to stick around. Let's see what happens. Here comes a move, maybe. Bro, look at all these wicks. Bearish, bro. Damn, I should have stayed trading the SPY and grabbed them 455s. Like the Qs were about to make a run for a second, though. I basically topped out, break even on the Qs trade. Look at this. I don't know. And it seems inevitable that we crack this head down, but the trading, I mean, it's a half a day, so yeah. I mean, that's a good day for me. I mean, I like this wick into the upside. Look, push up, dump, push up, dump. Uh, we got electric guitar, dog. I mean, honestly, that's a good day for me, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? No need to keep trading, bro. When I start over trading, start giving money back. Look, 24 trades. Let's say it's not really 24 trades because I had partial fills and shit like that. Man, refusing to break down this level though. 455 calls to the upside. Nah, but the Qs are above VWAP. I mean, under normal circumstances, definitely would like to long down here, but considering that market closes in less than an hour, that beat though, what? Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Shit. Like the downtrend. Oh, bro, there's just too much. Too much. Look at all this, bro. Too much clicking and distance up here, bro. Yeah, bro. Look at that. Hang on a 5 minute. Market's looking heavy, bro. There's not enough time for us to trend up and go front side on the Qs. I mean, the SPY's right there, bro. 455. Remember that level, dog? Yeah, man, that's what we had. A decent day, green day. Taking a couple quick scalps off large caps. And I didn't even go over the watch list or anything like that. I'm pretty sure there were some runners on there as well. And maybe next week, start doing all that again. But yeah, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the stream, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Do all those things that the algo likes. Other than that,